Hey there, future financial gurus. Welcome to Youth Finances 96, your go-to spot for navigating the world of money with a splash of fun. I'm your host, Cristian, bringing you the most thrilling financial adventures. Here, we believe that learning about money should be just as exciting as spending it. From market dynamics to finance basics, we're here to guide you through it all. Our videos break down the complexity of financial concepts into easily digestible pieces, tailored just for you. But it's not all about numbers and charts. We've got a dose of fun in every video. You see, here at Youth Finances 96, we're all about making learning as interactive and engaging as possible. Remember when you played Monopoly and learned about property investment, or when you traded cards and discovered the dynamics of supply and demand? Well, that's precisely the kind of experience we aim to replicate. In our videos, we might take you on a virtual shopping spree to understand budgeting better, or perhaps we'll create a mock stock market to explore investment strategies. We might even turn saving into a thrilling game, challenging you to reach a target amount for that much-desired item. And it's not just about games. We provide practical tips and real-life scenarios to bring financial concepts to life. We believe in learning by doing, and what better way to do it than in an enjoyable and interactive way? From interactive activities to games and practical tips, we're here to make learning about money an enjoyable adventure. Speaking of adventures, we're building a vibrant community right here. Imagine a place where financial enthusiasts like you share insights, learn from each other, and grow together. Yes, that's us. We're a lively bunch, eager to delve into the world of finances. We believe that community is the key to learning, and sharing experiences makes the journey even more enriching. So join us, bring your curiosity and enthusiasm, and let's explore together. It's a space for collaboration, learning, and mutual support on your financial journey. So whether you're navigating high school, college, or the professional world, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join me on this exciting adventure towards financial empowerment. You see, here at Youth Finances 96, we're all about making finance accessible, engaging, and dare I say, fun. Yes, fun. Because we believe that when you're enjoying the journey, the destination becomes even more rewarding. We're committed to breaking down the complexity of financial concepts, making them easy to understand, and even easier to apply in your daily life. And we're not just talking theory here, we're talking practical, real-world applications that can make a difference in your financial future. So don't just be a passive viewer, become an active participant in your financial journey. Welcome to Youth Finances 96, where we believe your financial future is as bright as your dreams. I'm Cristian, and together we'll make every financial decision count. See you in the next video.